Good morning, everyone. Last class we discussed about classification of motors and generators. Classification of motors and generators. Today class we discuss about voltage equations of DC generators. Voltage equation of DC generators. So first one, DC shunt generator. DC shunt generator. So the generator is represented as EG. These are the brushes. The brushes used for collection of current. Shunt generator means the field winding is connected parallel with the armature. That's why it is called shunt. Generator means it delivers electrical energy. So that is represented to the load. So here that is armature current. This one is armature current. The current can be distributed into two sections. Like for example, so full water is there, two sections is there, water is delivered. So it is the load section, that is IL. That is the shunt field. Current is ISH. So this is the current division. So similar like the resistance of armature is RA. The resistance of armature is RA. The resistance of shunt field is RSH. The load voltage is VL. The load voltage is VL. So first thing, apply KCL at node. Apply KCL at node. This is the node. The node is the meeting of all branches. Here two branches is there. One is load section, another one is shunt field section. So incoming currents, what is that said that KCL is incoming currents equal to outgoing currents. Incoming currents is IA, outgoing currents is IL plus ISH. So here the formula for IA is IL plus ISH. So here VL is the voltage across the load. This is parallel to the shunt field. The current flowing in the shunt field I is equal to Ohm's law. From Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Here the shunt current is ISH. The voltage is load voltage divided by resistance is RSH. The formula for ISH equal to VL by RSH. So here apply the voltage equations to the loop. Here the voltage across this loop is VL, but here loop is, so apply Kirchhoff voltage law to the loop. What we said that in Kirchhoff voltage law in our class, source minus drop equal to 0. Source minus drop equal to 0. Here the source, what is the source? Generated EMF. What is the source? Generated EMF. So that generated EMF is EG. That generated EMF is EG. EG means generated voltage. Generated voltage. Here also that the drop. Here armature resistance is there. Where is the resistance is there? There is a drop. So drop is armature resistance drop. Armature resistance drop minus drop across the load. drop across the load equal to 0. That is Eg. What is the drop across in the resistance? Whatever the current flow in that armature into multiplied with the armature resistance, that is Ia Ra, minus what is the drop across the load, that is the VL, equal to 0. The formula for Eg equal to VL plus Ia Ra plus brush contact drop, BCD equal to brush contact drop. So final Eg equal to VL plus IARA plus BCD. This one is the developed one. Here VL is load voltage, IA is armature current, that is equal to IL plus ISH. RA is armature resistance, BCD is brush contact drop. This is the voltage equation in shunt generator. Same like that series generator. So what is the said that this series generator, the generator is represented as Eg. These are the brushes. Here the shunt generator, in shunt generator the shunt field is connected parallel to the armature, but here is the series generator, that means the field is connected series with the armature. This is a load because of the generator delivering energy is electrical. So indicate the currents. This is the armature current, is the series field ISC, the resistance is RSC. This is the load, that is IL. The voltage across this one is VL. So here write down RA is armature resistance, RSC is series field resistance, IA is armature current, ISC is series field current, IL is load current, VL is load voltage. So here that one, there is only one loop, that means it is a series circuit. What we discuss in class, in series circuit current is same. In series circuits current is same. That is IA equal to ISC equal to IL. So there is no another paths, that's why current is same. Apply KVL to loop. What is said that KVL? Source minus drop equal to 0. That source is easy. Drop is armature drop IRA, series drop ISC RSC, voltage drop across the load, that is VL, equal to 0. So Eg equal to VL plus IA RA plus ISC RSC. From that IA equal to IL equal to ISC. Eg equal to VL plus IRA plus IA RSC, that is VL plus IA RA plus RSC. So this is the voltage equations for series generator. This is the voltage equation for series generator. Next compound generator. That is that one, compound generator. In compound also we have two sections. One is long shunt, another one is short shunt. So see in that one, long shunt is the EG. In compound generators we have two fields. So in long shunt, the shunt field is connected across both series field and armature. The field winding is connected both. That's why it is called long shunt. That is studied in yesterday class. So discuss. Here is the IA. That is ISC. Series field RSC. Shunt field is RSH. Current division is IL. This one is ISH. This is the load. So load, the voltage across is the VL. Here also apply KCL, because KCL means here one node is there. In series generator there is no nodes. That's why we cannot apply any KCL. But here one node is there. Apply KCL. Incoming current, that is IC equal to outgoing current. Incoming current equal to outgoing current. So here the incoming current equal to IA, because IA and IS in series, IA equal to ISA. So outgoing currents, what are them? Indicating directions. This is a node, this is the incoming, these two are outgoing. IL plus ISH. The formula for IA equal to IL plus ISH. So here the voltage VL, that is parallel to this section, parallel to this section. Here the applied voltage is VL, the resistance is RSH. From Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. That voltage is VL divided by RSH. The current is ISH. The formula for ISH equal to V by RSH. Apply KVL to the loop. This is a loop. What is the source? Easy. What is the drop? Armature drop. What is the series field? ISC, RSC. What is the load? That is VL equal to 0. EG equal to VL plus IRA plus ISC, RSC. In case we have brush contact drop, BCD. In case brush contact drop, we have BCD. From that, IA equal to ISC. So VL plus IA, RA, IA, RSC plus BCD. VL plus IA, RA plus RSC plus BCD. This is generated EMF. EG equal to VL plus IA, RA plus RSC plus BCD. This is the, what about long shunt? We can discuss short shunt. Short shunt means in this generator series field is there. The shunt field is connected only armature. In long shunt we connected the shunt field is across the series field as well as armature. That's why that is called as a long shunt. It is called as a short shunt. Here the load is connected LO AD load. So here the current is IA, is a node meeting of all points. This one is ISH, this is ISC, this one is RSA, this is the VL, this is the VL. So apply KCL. Incoming current equal to outgoing currents. Incoming current equal to what? Shows the IA. IA equal to ISC plus ISH. So the formula for ISH is the voltage across the shunt field with respect to the resistance. The voltage across RSH with respect to resistance. The voltage is VL minus ISC RSA divided by RSH. VL minus ISC RSA divided by RSH. Apply KVL. Apply KVL. That is source minus drop equal to 0. Source minus drop equal to 0. Here the what is the source? Easy. Drop is armature. IA RA. The drop in series field is ISC RSC minus VL equal to 0. Is equal to VL plus IARA plus ISC RSC in case brush contact drop BCD. In case brush contact drop BCD. So here that one IA is not equal to ISC because one path is there. In series generator IA equal to ISC. In long shunt we have IA equal to ISC because these two are in series, but here not in series. So we can solve one problem. A shunt generator has a terminal voltage of 230 volts, comma, shunt field resistance 230 ohms and load voltage is 230 volts. Load voltage is 230 volts and armature resistance of 2 ohms and brush contact drop is 2 volts. Brush contact drop is 2 volts. Determine generated voltage in the armature. Generator voltage in the armature. So solution, first of all draw the generator. What is I am asking in that problem? That is shunt generator. What is asking? Shunt generator. So this is the shunt generator. What is the voltage? VL equal to 230 volts. Load current of 10 ampere. Load current of 10 ampere. That is IL equal to 10. RA equal to 2 ohms. Shunt field resistance equal to 230 ohms. 230 ohms. Next, brush contact drop equal to 2 volts. What is the formula for EG? EG equal to VL plus IRA plus BCD. So in this problem VL is known 230 volts, RA is known 2 ohms, BCD is known 2, but we don't know IA. So we have formula IA equal to IL plus IAH studied in the shunt generator case. We know that IL equal to 10 amperes, ISH we don't know. The formula for ISH equal to V by RSH. What is the V? 230 divided by RSH equal to 230, that is 1 ampere. So IA equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11 amperes. So E is equal to 230 plus 11 into 2 plus 2. That is 254 volts. That is generated EMF equal to 250 volts. So thank you guys. In next class we discuss about problems on remaining generators. So all of you watch this video and ask regarding any doubts, post in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.